This is a reflective insulation roll. It has aluminum on both sides and kind of like bubble wrap type stuff in the middle. This particular roll is about 23.6 inches wide and 20 feet long. It also comes with a couple sheets of the double-sided sticky tabs. Because of the reflective aluminum and then the bubbles in the middle, it makes it a really good insulator for the winter, and it helps to reduce solar gain during the summers. I'd like to point out that it is waterproof and provides a good moisture barrier. To install this, you want to have markers and scissors. And you just do that for the other side and all the rest of the windows, and you're set to go.